Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 9 of English reader. The name of the book is Open Skies and the name of the chapter is The Other Book. Dear students, this is the story of a man. The name of the man is Mr. Chang. Dear students, in the previous class I have explained the story in detail. Those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Dear students, today we will discuss the question answer and other exercises given in the chapter. Dear students, in the previous class I have told you I had given the homework to complete the word meaning of this chapter in your notebook. Dear students, today we will discuss the question answer of this chapter and other exercises given in the chapter. Dear students, in your notebook you have to write only word meaning and question answer. I hope that you all have written the word meaning already and today you will write the question answer in your notebook. Dear students, other exercises such as true, false, filling the blanks, multiple choice question, you will complete in your book only. No need to write these exercises in your notebook. Okay, in your notebook you will write only word meaning and question answer. So students, just open your notebook and start writing the question. Dear students, the question is given here. It is given at the page number 69. You can see in your book of Open Skies. Just see, given at the page number 69. Answer the following question. First question is given here. Who was Mr. Chang and why did he leave alone? Who was Mr. Chang and why did he leave alone? Dear students, the answer of this question is that Mr. Chang was unmarried and he had not children, and why? Therefore, he used to live alone in a small house. Okay students, when you were reading this story, you had read these lines that Mr. Chang was living alone because he had not wife and children. Okay, so just write down the answer. Yes, students, after writing the question from your book, you will write the answer from the book. Okay, so just see, who was Mr. Chang and why did he live alone? You write this question in your notebook. And after completing this question, you will write the answer. Mr. Chang was a Chinese. Mr. Chang was a Chinese. Mr. Chang was a Chinese who worked I think it is visual. Who worked as a miner in West China. In West China. Just see students, Mr. Chang was a Chinese who worked as a miner in West China. He lived alone. He lived alone. He lived alone as he did not have wife and children. Okay students, this is the answer of the question number A. Just see students, the answer. Mr. Chang was a Chinese who worked as a miner in West China. He lived alone as he did not have wife and children. Okay students, this is the answer of question number A. You write it in your notebook. And after completing this answer, you will write the question number B, which is given in your book at the page number 69. Just see the second question. Why was there a great sound when Mr. Chang would throw his shoes? Dear students, you all know that the floor of his room was made of wood. Therefore, whenever he used to throw the boots on the floor, there was a great sound. There was a loud sound. Okay? So, just write down the question from your book. Then after, you will write the answer from the board. Dear students, I will write the answer only. You will write the question from your book. Just say, students, what was the question? Why was there a great sound when Mr. Chang would throw his boots? Yes, students, you write down the answer now. There was a great sound. There was a great sound when Mr. Chang would throw his boots or shoes, you can say, because the floor of his room floor of his room was made of wood. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number B. You can write, there was a great sound when Mr. Chang would throw his boots because the floor of his room was made of wood. Okay, students, so this is the answer of question number B. You can write in your notebook. And after completing this answer, you will write the next question number 3 from your book, which is given at the page number 69. Why could the lady not sleep at night? Why could the lady not sleep at night? Dear students, you all have read that when Mr. Chang threw his boots on the floor, there was a great sound because the floor of his room was made of wood, and due to that there was a great sound, and due to that sound that old lady couldn't sleep at that night. Okay, so this is the answer. First of all, you write the question from your book, then after you will write the answer from the board. Okay, students, I am going to erase the answer number A. I hope that you all have completed. Come to the next question. Question number C. You write the question from your book. I will write the answer only. Just see. Question once again I am going to repeat. Why could the lady not sleep at night? This is your question. And write down the answer. When Mr. Chang comes home late at night, he shouts, screams, S-C-R-E-A-M-S, screams, and aims. and else. Else means loud sound, and else, thereby, THERE, thereby, disturbing everybody, disturbing everybody. Screams and yells, thereby disturbing everybody. Moreover, the sound of throwing goods. Moreover, the sound of throwing the goods, the sound of throwing, goods, moreover, the sound of throwing goods on the floor, disturbs the lady, disturbs the lady, very much, disturb the lady very much, and so she could not sleep at night, and so she could not sleep at night. Okay students, so just write down this answer. Dear students, once again I am going to tell you the question number C. Why could the lady not sleep at night? The answer of this question is given here. When the Mr. Cheng comes home late at night, he shouts, screams, yells, thereby disturbing everybody. Moreover, the sound of throwing goods on the floor disturbed the lady very much, and so she could not sleep at night. Okay students, so this is the answer of question number C. You will write it in your notebook, and after completing this answer, you will write the question number D, which is given at the same page, page number 69. What was the question? Once again, what did Mr. Chang do when he remembered his promise made to the old lady? Dear students, when he remembered the promise of old lady, he took off the another boat silently and went to sleep. Okay? So, first of all you write the question, then after we will write the answer of this question number D. Okay? I hope that you all have written this answer. Therefore, I am going to erase it. If anyone have any kind of doubts, can ask on WhatsApp. Okay students? Write down the question number D from your book. I will write the answer on the board. Just see students, answer number D. Answer D. What is question? Once again, what did Mr. Chang do when he remembered his promise made to the old lady? Just write down answer students. Mr. Chang had already thrown. Mr. Chang had already thrown, T-H-R-O-W, and thrown of one of his boats, thrown of one of his boats, on the floor. After coming home late at night. After coming home late at night. But when he remembered his promise, when he remembered his promise, just see students, but when he remembered his promise made to the old lady, he quietly took off the other boat and went to sleep. Okay, students, just see the answer. Mr. Chang had already thrown off one of his boots on the floor after coming home late at night. But when he remembered his promise made to the old lady, he quietly took off the other boots and went to sleep. Okay, students, so this is the answer of question number D. I hope that you all have understood the answer. Dear students, in this way we have completed the question answer of this chapter number 9, the other book. Dear students, if you have any kind of doubts in question answer, you can ask on WhatsApp. Dear students, you will write the question answer in your notebook. Okay, in your notebook you will write only word meaning, then after question answer. Okay, students, and other exercises we will complete in the book only. Okay, students, in the next class we will discuss the other exercises, true, false, filling the blanks, and multiple choice question given in the chapter. Okay, students, so that's all for today. Thank you.